None of those needs advanced guitar playing, but none of those sounds like a beginner exercise either. When you're learning guitar or coming back to it, the usual advice is to play songs with easy chords. The trouble with that is, quite a lot of songs with easy chords sound like you're just practicing chords and chord changes. These three are different. They use simple ingredients, but each one has one specific detail that lifts it beyond simple beginner playing. The picked opening already sounds much more sophisticated than simple strumming, but there's one movement that can also make it look more impressive. When you reach the D, you could change to a standard open D shape. That works, but I think this is much more impressive. Instead of changing shape, hold the C chord and move the whole thing up 2 frets. Pick through the chord and let the open strings keep ringing. It sounds more interesting, the movement looks great, and it may just be easier than changing to the D chord in any case. This second song doesn't need a clever chord movement. The song is essentially the same 4 chords played all the way through. So the trick is to make those same 4 chords feel different as the song progresses. That's technically fine. The chords are right, but it sounds like somebody practicing a 4-chord progression. Instead, hold something back at the beginning. Use a lighter attack, smaller movements, give the chord some space. Then, when the song needs a lift, make your strumming broader, stronger, more urgent. You haven't used an extra chord, you haven't used a more complicated strumming pattern, you've simply created contrast. The second version sounds like a performance because it feels like it's going somewhere. The final song shows how one small piece of a recognisable riff can give a chord progression its identity. The chords work, but without the riff it could really be any song. You don't have to learn the whole riff right away. Even that first small part gives the listener something recognisable. Then, drop it into the chord progression. That tiny addition makes it sound deliberate. You're no longer just playing the correct chords, you're playing the one I love. So, 3 simple songs and 3 easy ways to stop them sounding like beginner songs. With Hurt, just put in that slide. With Zombie, hold something back so the powerful parts have somewhere to go. And with the one I love, add even just the first part of that riff and give the chords their identity. None of these ideas require flashy playing. It's all about just taking a simple song and playing it with purpose. When I came back to playing guitar after 40 years away, it was songs like these and these little techniques that really made me feel like I was making progress and making music again, not just practicing chords. Which of these 3 would you try first? Or what song do you like to play that makes you feel better than you really are? Let me know in the comments. And if you're starting guitar later in life or coming back after a long break, subscribe. That's exactly what this channel's for.